Welcome everyone to the brand new video of RD Graphics. In this channel, we talk about some of the simplest tips and tricks of Photoshop that everybody can do to make eye-catchy graphics. Here, I will be using Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 and MS Office 2016. The configuration of my rig is given in the description below. Check it out. Make sure that you have at least 8 GB of system RAM, 16 GB is recommended, and a decent graphics card. So, without any further ado, let's begin. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, you can go to YouTube and search for Simple Photoshop Graphics with Rhythm and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos at the earliest. Today we will learn about vanishing point. Yeah, I know it sounds awesome cause it actually is. This vanishing point is used to create a 3D plane on which we can drop texts or images according to the required perspective. This option can be found in the Filters tab. First, we have to open the image which we want to place on the object. Click and drag the image on the current document, resize it as necessary. Now right click in the layer icon and select the option of Select Pixels from the menu. Then press Ctrl C in order to copy the selection. Then go to the Select tab and select on Deselect. Now click on the eye icon and turn off the layer containing the image. Now select the layer of the box and go to Filter, Vanishing Point. A whole new window appears. Now according to the corners of the box, click on the corners and make a perspective plane, like this. Now you will see a blue mesh grid. This is the perspective plane. Now press Ctrl V to paste the image on this plane. Then drag the image over the perspective plane and see how it matches to the required perspective. It looks really cool. You can even resize the image by clicking on the transform tool on the left hand side. This looks quite perfect. When you think that it's looking good, just click OK. Now we will add some text in the same way. Right click on the text layer icon and click on the Select Pixels. The rest are the same steps. Now let's try the same for the other side. Here, press Ctrl and start dragging to make a perpendicular plane to the adjacent side. Then paste the selection and adjust your text. I hope you will find this filter very useful. This feature is extremely used to make product designs and packagings, mainly from a 3D perspective.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description below. Till then, goodbye and take care.